Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying prerequisites: VS Code, a running SQL Server instance, and the MS SQL extension installed. Once done, open VS Code, install or enable the SQL Server, MS SQL extension, and reload. Next, open the command palette and choose MS SQL. Connect to begin a new connection. Enter server, database, user, and password exactly as provided, including port if non-standard. This immediate connection step gets you inside the database engine so you can run queries and explore schema without delay. Once connected, create a new SQL file and ensure the language mode is SQL so snippets and highlighting work. Then use the status bar connection selector to attach your editor to the desired database. Make sure the correct profile is chosen. Run queries using the Run button or the keyboard shortcut and inspect results in the Results and Messages panes. Save your connection profile and add workspace settings like default database and formatting rules to reproduce this environment quickly on other machines. To finish, use the Object Explorer to browse schema objects and right-click tables to script creation or view top rows. Integrate scripts into source control and use SQL CMD or task runners for migrations and automated deployments. Make sure to format and comment queries so teammates can reuse them. If you can't connect, verify network rules and firewall, confirm authentication type, SQL versus Windows, and recheck the connection string for typos. These are the single most common blockers when switching environments.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.